Hey guys, so if you're looking for how to play crossplay on Insurgency Sandstorm, now important thing to know is that it is, but is like a little bit different because players accessing the game through the Xbox Game Pass or PC Game Pass are able to enable crossplay through the matchmaking region selection menu, where you're gonna have region in the settings. This allows Xbox Game Pass user to play with the PC Game Pass users and vice versa. This feature does not allow players to play with Steam or PlayStation users. Do you see that? So this is important. Now, so Steam plus Epic game versions, that's how we can crossplay. Xbox version with the PC Game Pass and PlayStation versions. So that's the only way how you can do it. But other than that, it's not possible. And then what you're gonna do is just gonna enable crossplay in settings and add friends. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.